Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the if statements in Apple's iOS Shortcuts app. The if statement is a very commonly used bit of code in software development. It allows your software, or your shortcut in this case, to decide what to do in different situations. They are very simple and easy to use, and they work like this. If something is true, do this, else if it is not true, do something else instead. Now I'll show you how you can use the if statement when you're writing your shortcuts in Apple Shortcuts app with a working example. In this example, we're just going to create a simple shortcut that will test to see whether some text contains certain words. So firstly, open up the Shortcuts app and create a new shortcut. Then search for the text component and add that into your shortcut. Now the text we're going to text is just very simple, hello world, so type that in. And then once you've done that, we can then add an if statement to test whether the text contains certain words. So find the if statement and add it into your project. So once you've got your if statement, we need to define what values we're going to test. So we're going to test to see whether the text above contains the word hello. If it does, we're going to put a notification on the screen to show that the text does contain the word hello. So if it contains hello, show a notification, and we're going to make the notification show that it's true because the text does contain the value, in this case hello. Otherwise, this is our else statement. So if the text does not contain the word, we're going to put it into the otherwise section, and if it doesn't contain the word, we want it to display false. It does not contain the word that we've used in the value. So just build your notification now. So once we've made our little shortcut, all we have to do is press play. Before we do that, let's just have a look at what we've created. So at the top we have some hello world text. If the hello world text contains the value hello, contains the word hello, then we want to show a notification that says true, it does contain the value hello. If it doesn't contain the value, whatever we put in, then we want to show a notification of false. It does not contain the value. So if we run our shortcut now, we get a notification to say true. That's because the hello world text does contain the text of hello. It contains the value hello, so we expect it to return true and show the true notification. Now, if we go up and we change the text in the if statement to say something different, let's see if the hello world contains house. Now when we run the shortcut, we see that we get a notification of false. That's because the hello world text doesn't contain the word house, so we expect it to go into this otherwise statement at the bottom and display false. Now if we test to see if it contains a comma and we run the shortcut, we get true because the hello world text does contain the comma value, and it therefore showed the true notification. Let's try again. If we use the value of fish and we run our shortcut, we get false because the hello world text does not contain the value fish in it, so it goes into the otherwise statement of the if script at the bottom. So that was a really quick overview of how the if script works in Apple's iOS shortcuts. I hope you found the video useful, and if you liked it, subscribe because I'll be uploading more videos soon explaining more features of Apple's iOS shortcuts, and give the video a thumbs up as well. If you want me to cover anything in particular, leave a comment in the comments below and I'll make a video to help you out in any Apple iOS shortcuts feature that you want to learn about. Cheers, see you in the next one.